Churches, denominations, what's the difference? Well, a church is a local body of believers, whereas a denomination is kind of like a club that other churches belong to. All Christians worship Jesus, so it makes sense to expect all churches, all denominations to be the same. But Christians are definitely not all the same, mostly because they never were the same. When persecution hit early Christians in Jerusalem, they fled the city and took the good news with them. Their new homes were separated by days and sometimes even months worth of dangerous travel over seas and mountains. There was no internet that people could share to stay on the same page. No TV, no radios, not even a newspaper. The only communication came a few times a year via trading ships and caravans. Their worship and interpretation of Jesus' teachings were influenced by the regional customs of the places where they landed, be it Africa, the Middle East, or Europe. These were the seeds of the Coptic Christians and the Eastern Orthodox and Roman Catholic churches that we see today. So got it. Lots of denominations, so which one is best? The best Christian denomination is the one that proclaims Jesus as the sole source of salvation. The best denomination will also believe and teach the Bible, Old and New Testaments, because the Bible is the record of Jesus' story. Organ music with hymns or drums and guitars, suits and dresses or jeans and t-shirts, pastor-led or layperson-led. The best denomination leaves those things to personal taste, but they need to get Jesus right. So how can you know what the denomination believes? Well, you need to do your research. Check the website. All mainline Christian denominations will have a website, and once you get there, you want to look for the What We Believe tab. Visit a local church from that denomination. Does the teaching match what's in the Bible? And lastly, just ask. Talk to the denomination's leadership or the local church's staff. Afraid of being a nuisance? Don't be. The pastors and staff have dedicated themselves to serving Jesus and his people. They'll be happy to talk to someone who's taking their faith so seriously. Your eternity is important enough to talk to the leadership of the church to find out if this is a safe place for you to worship. If that church or denomination is bothered by questions, if they have problems with visitors, that's kind of a red flag. One very important thing to keep in mind. The bulk of the New Testament is made up of letters from the Apostle Paul dealing with problems within local churches. Churches and the denominations that they belong to are made up of people, and people are not and never will be perfect. So it's important to give a little grace. So, once you've decided on a denomination, click on the link below to avoid mistakes in picking a local church. I'd love to help you in your walk with Jesus. Please let me know in the comments below what things you'd like to hear me talk about. Thanks for watching Jesus Stories, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.